Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the colorblind mode in the Impulse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Here you can see your profile. Now click on the settings button on the top of the page on the left. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the colorblind mode is there. And if you just click on the little white circle and it turns green, that means that this mode is enabled. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.